How do you do it, Mommy?
Back up a little bit. Okay, yeah. Okay, and how does it work?
You turn the dial normally on the
Back up a little bit.
normally on the real ones. There's numbers on here, and then they turn them, and then it would let go and rotate over here, and then you would do the number like this. It would.
But what is it? Show me what it is.
It's a rotary phone.
Okay, put it up to your ear. Yes, and show how it works again.
So there's
be still.
usually numbers on the real version of this, and you press the number in order of your number. The numbers are representing buttons. We have to turn a specific way and then turn all the way around, and then normally they would hit a point where they would retract, and then you have to do it like that, and type in another number, and type like that. Once you got a number done, you would take the phone number and call, and then hang up like this.
Wow. Very nice.